Hi, welcome to our how-to series Web Forms 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple connection to Salesforce using FormAssembly's Salesforce Submit Connector. Not only can you build forms using FormAssembly's enterprise data collection platform, but you can also send that data to Salesforce and many other popular platforms. After completing this tutorial, you'll have a web form that collects data and creates a lead in Salesforce upon submission. I'm going to start off by showing you the form we're using for this example. As you can see, it's a simple contact information form asking for first and last name, email, and company, several pieces of basic information you'd want to collect from the lead interested in your business. If you want to learn how to create a simple form like this one, you can watch our video, How to Build a Web Form. Since we've already created our form, we're going to navigate to the Connectors page. You can do this from your forms list, but in this video, we're going to navigate here through the connector icon on the left-hand side of the page. On this page, you'll see there are options to add a connector for when the form is opened, upon submission, and after form submission. We're going to add a connector to the form submission step. From this list, select Salesforce and then click Configure. Now you're in the connector. The first step, when you use the connector for the first time, you'll be prompted to authorize a connection with the Salesforce account you want to use. We've already set up the initial connection, so we'll just select the Salesforce username of the Salesforce org we want to connect to. And then we'll set it to enabled. Once the connector is enabled, we'll select the object we're going to work with. You can create, update, or look up objects, but for this video, we're simply going to create a lead. As you're selecting lead from the drop-down list of the Salesforce object, you'll see how many options there are. This is because with FormAssembly's Salesforce integration, you can send data to any standard or custom Salesforce object. The required fields for the object you choose will populate after you select it. As you can see here, company and last name have appeared as fields that we can now map. Mapping essentially means you're telling Salesforce what data in your form gets sent to what field in Salesforce. You don't have to map every field depending on your processes. In addition to company and last name, we're going to map the other fields in our form, so all the data gets sent to Salesforce. For the simplest setup, like the example here, all you need to do is hit save and your Salesforce integration form is ready to use. Connect your first form today in a free trial by visiting formassembly.com/join and selecting your plan of choice. And don't forget to hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more form building content. Happy form building!